Alright guys, we're just going to go ahead and get into another video. I've been planning on making another video since the last time I made a video. But yeah, so this one is pretty much like this last video. This is going to be part 2 of it. Maybe, I'm going to barely go over this. Yeah, I did make $103,000. So as you can see, on this channel with less than 50,000 subscribers and 6.5 million views. Right now I'm at... shoot, I don't even know. Let me go ahead and see. I'm at like 40. I think I'm at pretty much at the same as I was, maybe a little bit less as I'm losing subscribers, not gaining right now. I'm at 48.7 thousand subscribers, or 48,700, right around there. Oh, right there. It shows right there. 48,780 subscribers. I'm evening out though, because I was losing. Now I'm about even. So I don't think I'm losing any. I think I'm gaining a tiny bit now, which is good. But this is the same. I wanted to go over not only how how much money I made, as the last video was. It was pretty much like the potential of what you can make, and I think you can even make more than this. But I wanted to go over how I made this amount of money off of 6.5 million views, and I could have probably made more, as I did have one video that I was getting $100 per 1,000 views. I don't think I can pull that up anymore, as I deleted that video along with others. That one did, I did get a copyright strike, and it was based on that game actually. So I wanted to make sure to remove any copyright strikes, and I even had pretty much permission from the app developer, but not from because it was a casino game. It was actually Cashman Casino, and I had permission from, well, I talked to them through email. They wanted me to do videos for them, but the ultimate copyright owner is, I can't remember who they're called, but they actually own all the slot games and stuff that go in the casino, and they're the ones that hit me with a copyright strike. So yeah, so I decided to go ahead and take those down, even though I was making a good amount of money from all those casino games. But I want to go over how I did that, and how I was able to make that amount of money. So you can do it yourself. It'd be nice if I had some slides and other things to add here. The only thing I have is my watch time, my views, my subscribers, and my revenue, and that's what I've got. I guess I could show off some of this stuff right here, but the main thing I wanted to go ahead and tell you. Shoot, I got a notification on my dang phone. I don't even know what that is, but I guess I'll check real quick. Oh, screen time thing on my iPhone. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you how I did make the, as much as I did. I focused on money, casino, slots, anything that advertisers want to spend money on. That is how you can make a good amount of money off of barely any views, is if you focus your videos on things that make money. Because you could get 100 views and you could make $100 possibly. It can happen, because that's, well, not a, I mean 1,000 views, you can make $100. I've never made, $100 off 100 views. But my, that's pretty much unheard of, that that's even possible, that you can make $100 off 1,000 views. Not only that, but whenever I make videos, and I make a longer video, which I haven't done it with these ones now. I'm not super focused on making money anymore, but this is how I would go ahead and monetize all of my videos. I would always I'll show you exactly. It's not how this one's set up, but I have all the ad types on. I have during mid-roll videos on, and I do have the manage, and this, okay, so I did do it on this one. So I do usually set the first ad at 2 minutes to 2.5 minutes. I was switching them to 2.5 minutes for a little bit more watch time in the beginning, as it does cut watch time if you do add it quickly in the video. But I usually add an ad at every 2 minutes to 2.5 minutes. I was doing every 2 minutes, and then I was getting complaints about too many ads, blah blah blah. So I did switch it up to 2.5 minutes. I didn't realize I put so many ads in this video, but sometimes I'll do that. If it's a shorter video, like 8 minutes, I'll add an extra ad. They don't always get shown, but I do add an ad every 2.5 minutes to sometimes every 2 minutes to make a little bit of extra money there. And yeah, it can cut down on your watch time or whatnot, but that is how I ultimately started making a lot more money. Like I was making like $100 on my channel, and then I went through all my old videos and I did that to all my videos, and it went from making like $100 a month to, I think I went up to $500 a month just from doing that, making sure to add lots of mid-rolls. If you add more, you know, like I added a bunch one time just to see what would happen. They don't give you extra ads. It's just, they'll just give you what they have, but still, you don't want to add excessive amounts. Like I could add one here like every minute, but then you really aren't going to have people wanting to watch your channel. I've noticed that, you know, 2.5 minutes, sometimes 2 minutes, if you can keep the video exciting, will get you more money, and will get you, you know, your most of your viewers will stick around if you put them in every 2.5 minutes or every 2 minutes. I think the best route to still be able to make a good amount of money from your videos, and on top of that, to keep your viewers, is put the first mid-roll at 2.5 minutes, like I should have done on this video. Like I'll go ahead and switch this one. I should have done that to begin with. I don't know why I did it this way, but I think the best route is to go like this. So 2.5 minutes, and then 4.5, and then 6.5, and then a one at the end. So like 45. But you don't really need to put an extra one at the end if you don't want to, but I usually do. Because if they watch that far, they're going to go ahead and watch the extra ad at the end, and then they're going to go ahead and watch, you know, the extra ad that plays at the end, because there'll be a after video post roll. So that is how I made as much money as I was making from YouTube. You can do it yourself. The main thing, like I said, I focused on slots, I focused on casino, I focused on anything to do with money. So I had I did a lot of the apps that, you know, were money making apps. Even if you could only make a little bit of money, I focused on, you know, those apps on Google Play Store, and then ultimately somebody else did a way better job than I was doing, and they kept copying my videos, and they were doing a lot better job. So I can't blame them. YouTube is a cutthroat market. You've just got to do what you can, try to be as original as possible, and do things that other people aren't but are being searched for. And then try to mix it up too, because, you know, you are going to have copycats, but if you can be the person to, you know, do a game or an app or something that somebody else hasn't done, and be the first, but try to be, you know, try to post it before other people, try to find apps and games that nobody else has, you know, or videos that nobody else has uploaded yet, but will get views, or, you know, that are being searched for. And that is, you know, what I always try to focus on, or at least did focus on. Now it's just, I don't know, I'm probably going to focus on money coming up, like I am on, you know, the last two videos, but at the same time I'm going to post whatever I feel like. Hopefully I can get some really awesome videos coming. I have a lot of really cool ideas. I just don't have a lot of time to work with. I have to work a lot. Like right now I should already be working. It's 9:20. I did wake up at 6 o'clock, but I wanted to make sure to get YouTube rolling. I need to get revenue up there again, or at least, you know, a little bit here and there, so I can actually take time off a little bit more, and also so I can do my YouTube. And that is my focus in life right now. Is one, I still have to do the apps, and I still have to work my butt off to pay my bills, but at the same time I'm trying to make sure to at least put a little bit of time when I can into YouTube, and slowly but surely put more and more time in once I get more money going on this on my YouTubes. But I do want to try to get things scheduled, or at least, you know, on a basis where I'm posting at least once a week. I think that's about right for this channel, at least on this channel. I do have other channels which I'm gonna make a video on coming up about all the channels that I have. You guys can check them out. I'll go ahead and, well, you can just go to aboutleon.com. If you go to aboutleon.com, you can go to, you know, my channels right here. You can go to main, daily, gaming, and music. If you go, then you can check out all the videos that I do. Main is going to mainly be weekly now, or at least I'm going to try to get it mainly weekly. Daily is going to be changed to daily vlogs coming up, but this daily, I've been doing it daily for a good month. Gaming's been about a half month that I've been doing it daily. I'm going to continue on with that daily. And music, I've been doing music shorts. I'm going to continue on with that, so you guys can check those out. I'll probably make another video like that I just, you know, about this, but it's going to be yeah, it's going to be a specific video, not just on the end of this one. But I better get going. I got to get to work. I got a lot to do today. I wanted to get started. I got a lot more money to make, but I wanted to make sure to post another video, as it's been it was posted on October 16th, or published on October 16th. It's the 22nd today. I don't know if I'm going to post this video today, but at least I'll have it recorded. So yeah, anyways, hopefully that helps you guys out to make some money yourself. I might make another video on this, and hopefully, you know, maybe do some edits, do the video better once I have more time. But right now I'm just going to continue to do, you know, quick videos, unedited, and hopefully you guys will you know, like some of the videos. Man, this is kind of off center here. I just realized that. I guess that's better. Whatever. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe. Lots more content to come to this channel. This is probably going to be a lot of videos on money coming up, you know, my life occasionally, just whatever I feel like uploading on this channel. But hopefully I can do occasional edits. That's one thing I really want to focus on this channel eventually, when I have more time to do more edits and, you know, really cool things. But, you know, once a week, and maybe, you know, hopefully I can get more money coming in so I can actually spend money on videos and have some really cool videos eventually. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.